Hey, Fat Jimmy here. As promised, it is dinner time, and we got it ready. Look at this. Mm-mm-mm. Potluck, Caucasian, whatever you want to call it. And already got me a bowl ready over here. Let's see if I can eat some of this, see what it tastes like. I put a little, it wasn't A1, but I put a little um, whatever steak sauce in here, and let's see how it goes. How I can hold this and eat this. Ooh, it's still real hot. Smells good. Mm. Mm. I'm gonna hit pause because it's still real hot right now. I had it on a slow simmer, but then I kind of turned it up. Maybe I didn't even need to turn it up to get it a little hotter. But before we had like 4 different things: the chilies, the microwave shit I put in there. There was some leftovers I forgot to mention. There was some like green beans and some like fish, so I put that in there too. And anyway, it looks good. It smells good. We're gonna see how it tastes. Like I said, it was pretty hot a while ago, but mm, mm, pretty good, man. Guess we'll see how I feel later tonight or in the morning, or if it gives me heartburns or not. Mm, it's real good. We got some green bean, chicken, whatever, chili, of course. Mm. Very good. I approve. I don't know if I'm going to eat it all. If I do, oh boy, I'll be stuck eating some, all right. See you later.